All right, guys, so like we said in our other video, this bracket is loose from the factory, heat shield, whatever you want to call it. Don't like that. And then if you're not going to run the factory scatter shield, which bolts all around this thing and is hideous and makes trail belt changes all but impossible, we came out with a little spacer kit to get rid of that. The problem is the new cover is thinner on the tabs than the old cover, so you can't just use the factory bolts again. So to use the factory bolts again and have a sealed clutch box without this big guard on it, you'll need to add some spacers in there. We have a kit. It's $6.99 on our website. Shipping does cost, unless you spend $150, and then you get free shipping. So if you don't want to pay the shipping fee for the $6.99 spacers, just spend $150 and you can get free shipping. But it's very simple, and we have a diagram on the website. It's 14 spacers total. This one gets one. This one gets one. 2, 2, 2, 0, 2, 2, 2, and 0. So you've got 6 bolts that require 2 spacers for 12, and then you've got 2 bolts that require a spacer each for 13 and 14, and then 2 that do not require one. There and down there. Very simple to put on. Like I said, the diagram's on our product page, and we'll link it down here at the bottom. So if you don't want to run that big thing, that big cover guard, whatever it is they put on there, grab a spacer kit and you can fix it. Or if you don't want to buy our spacer kit, it's a M10 washer. Just make sure it's 10.5 millimeter ID, so it slips over the shoulder, and about 20 millimeters OD, so it doesn't stick out past here. And you can kind of get a look at the spacers right there. So we've got the kit. If you don't want to buy it from us, you can buy your own and put it together. But so if you don't want to run that cover and you want your clutch box to seal like it's supposed to, either grab the spacer kit from us or just put your own together using M10 washers. But that's it. Thanks, guys. Y'all have a good day.